Welcome to the Penthouse on Congress. This is 547 Penthouse number 6 on Congress Street in Portland, Maine. Perched high above the Arts District in one of New England's most coveted cities, looking out at the Casco Bay and into Back Cove and beyond to Mount Washington. Come take a tour with me. So we just stepped off the elevator, and you have to have a key to access this level. No one can access this level without the key. So it's really just the homeowner, the resident of this penthouse that has that key. As we step this way, as you'll see, there's a flat screen TV, which is actually can be hidden as it's retracting right now into its cabinet, and it exposes more of this beautiful woodwork if you don't want to have to stare at a blank screen while you're not watching TV. So it just adds another dimension and enjoyment for this, less distractions of the view beyond, which is Casco Bay behind me. As we're walking on this flooring, the whole floor is concrete and it's radiant. So it's very comfortable right now in the wintertime to walk, and whether it's stocking feet or bare feet, it's a very comfortable experience. What also adds a little more relaxation is that there's a gas fireplace here as well that just sets off the whole experience and ambiance. So just beyond the fireplace, you have this continuation of all these custom, beautiful, tall, large windows, and you have this expansive dining area, which currently this is set up to seat 10. There's more chairs, there's more space. You could seat even more if you really enjoy entertaining and you want to be perched high above everything here in the Arts District of Portland. This is where you want to entertain as you just look out and appreciate all the beautiful brickwork over the centuries here. As we continue on and the views continue on to Back Cove, it is hard not to miss this incredible custom kind of serpentine spiral staircase that was custom made here in Maine. But the staircase is a centerpiece. It's a piece of art, and it really just creates this very exciting, dramatic feel for the whole. It sets the tone for the whole penthouse. As we continue on, we have this incredible kitchen, which has really cool elements such as this kitchen island, where you have these individual little tiny LED lights that are, this is a concrete countertop, but when it was custom made, all these little tiny, almost flecks, you look closely and they're lit up through these LED lights throughout the countertop. So especially in the evening, at nighttime, this just has such a vibe, such a tone that I've never seen before in any residence that I've had the pleasure of representing before. So Sub-Zero appliances, you have Thermador gas range, and this is made for entertaining. You have a full sink behind you, but you also have a wet bar here. So for the entertainer in mind, this is the ideal setup for you. But next, let's go into the primary suite, which is through these beautiful wooden double doors, and it exposes looking to the west. And on a clear day, you can see beyond to the mountains. You have a gas fireplace. You have a small balcony, which is, just adds another living space, another outdoor living space for you, which is in addition to the incredible double level rooftop deck, rooftop terrace above us. So you built in, these are closets, these are built-ins that just blend in with the whole aesthetic. You have 2 French doors that open out onto this private balcony just for the private suite, primary suite. You have plenty of hanging clothing space for this penthouse. And then beyond, you enter into the primary bath, which has this incredible custom concrete, which has radiant heat. This is a heated tub, and this amazing custom copper spout. Really cool details, very edgy. You have this river stone kind of set up here for just adding that more of that earthy elemental experience through spa-like experience. And you have this large rain shower. So everything is set up to drain, and there's privacy. There are shades here, so if anyone you want that additional privacy, there's that. So just off your primary suite bath, you have a utility room laundry space. So you don't have to go far to get your laundry done. It's right here. So after sharing that incredible primary suite, we're walking back out into the main living space with the kitchen, the incredible serpentine spiral staircase, which will go up in just a moment, and the rest of the living space with the incredible panoramic windows looking out. So I'm going to walk this way, if you'll follow me, and there is the guest bedroom, which is set on the other side of the penthouse. So as you walk through these incredibly tall wooden doors, you walk into this also panoramic guest suite, which also could double as an office depending on if you have someone staying here. You have more built-ins in this room. It does have an ensuite full bath. So as you walk through in the back here in this narrow hallway, you do come into this additional full bath. Above us is this fabric that softens the lighting that is above it. In the evening, in the nighttime, this adds a very warm, kind of dramatic effect to your experience of being in this room. It's also in the primary suite. It just adds another level of artistic finishes to this incredible penthouse. All right, jacket is on. We're gonna go take a walk around the double level rooftop terrace as we look out over Portland. Let's go up this incredible spiral staircase. All right, we're on the first level of the rooftop terrace. Got a little snow up here right now. But as you can see, what really steals the show is when you're up here, you can see to the north, east, south, and west, doesn't matter where you look. Munjoy Hill, you look out to the islands, Great Diamond Island, Peaks Island, Cushing Island. You can see it all and beyond to the Atlantic Ocean. You can see across to South Portland. All right, so as we come around the other side, more facing the west, we do have another entertainment area. You have a setup here, you have a fire pit, you have multiple seating set up here, plenty of space for a large gathering. You look out onto Back Cove and Maine Medical Center, onto the mountains in the distance. What this video is not gonna tell the story of is how there's actually real grass. There is lawn here and it's irrigated. It gets mowed on a weekly basis. If you have a pet, that's ideal. All right, so we're gonna go up onto the top second level of the roof terrace. So if you're looking for a one-of-a-kind experience in Portland, Maine, on top of the Arts District and all that Portland has to offer, this is the Penthouse on Congress, 547 Congress Street, penthouse number 6. If you'd like to schedule a tour or learn more information, please reach out to Allie and I at hello@fullersre.com. Thank you.